Welcome everyone to this section of the course on boosting, which is a continuation of our discussion of tree-based methods. Now we've learned how we can use a single decision tree and how we can seek to improve upon the performance of a single decision tree by aggregating them in an ensemble, such as a random forest model. Now we can actually explore another methodology of using an ensemble of decision trees or tree-based methods in order to improve upon the single decision tree. And this is a method known as boosting. Now in this section, we're going to learn about boosting and specifically how we can use boosting with tree-based methods such as boosting single decision trees. But I should point out that boosting is technically a meta-learning algorithm that can be applied to really any machine learning algorithm, not just decision trees. But we'll see why decision trees are such a well-suited algorithm for boosting. And we're first going to learn about the adaptive boosting theory, which is also known as AdaBoost. And then we'll work through an example of AdaBoost. After that, we'll learn about gradient boosting, another way of using boosting to create an ensemble of machine learning models. And then we'll go through an example of gradient boosting with Python. As far as related reading, there is not a whole lot of information on boosting in Introduction to Statistical Learning, but you can read about it in section 8.2.3. However, the relevant Wikipedia articles for AdaBoost and gradient boosting are actually quite good, and they even show a full breakdown of the derivation for the formulas. So you can check those out either with a quick Google search or by checking out the links here. All right, we've got a lot to get through, so let's get started. I'll see you at the next lecture.